Good morning. Welcome to Wellness Weekly. I'm Ada Obioma and I'm here from Fubu TV. I'm at Ndubuisi Kanu Park. This is a beautiful sunny morning and I just had one of the most intense workouts of my life. I'm actually here with the ladies from FitQuake and they are a fitness community just for women. They encourage women to get strong, get fit, live healthy, and they came out of Obafemi Awolowo University and they do so many programs just for women to promote their healthy lifestyles. We're going to just take a look at the event and just talk to some people, get a feel out of what brings them together, what keeps them motivated to keep doing this. It's not easy. They take out time from their hectic schedules, Lagos living, and they still come here and just do their thing and try to live good. And I'm just so proud of them, being a woman myself. Like, it's incredible. We're here, we're sweaty, we're having so much fun, and I'm just going right back to join them.
Are we ready now? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we go now, let's go. Yes, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
So beautiful. That's already like such a beautiful workout. Somebody's phone ringing. So nice. Oh. Sorry that you're perplexed.
Whoa!
You are surprised. We are sorry.
5. Come on. 6.
We are sorry. I'm sorry for that voice.
7, almost. 3 more. Come on. 2. 2 more to go. One more. Come on. Finish up.
You can do it.
We have one more set.
So, I'm not the second set with you guys. I've done mine. Bye.
We have one more set. Single, double, that's 1.
Okay.
Single, double, that's 2. Single, double, that's 3. Single, double, that's 4. Single, double, 5. Single, 6.
Sheriff, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
7, 8.
No, you're doing okay.
Yes, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Other way around.
What was that?
Yes, that's 1,
It's a double wing.
2, 3, 4, and 5. Now take it back. Know your limits. Come on.
We're going back.
That's 5, 4, 3, all the way down. Keep your legs straight. Yes, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now your right leg forward. Come on, keep your legs straight.
Like you're doing your math.
Yes, that's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch. Keep your legs straight. Keep your legs straight.
Go.
Keep your legs straight.
Waiting for that goal.
That's 1,
It's like the first part.
2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we go this way now. Come on. Yes, that's 1. Legs apart. Flat foot. Flat foot.
These are those.
Yes, that's 1, 2,
I need to take my
4. Come on. Let's go.
Carry me on now.
That's
I
fine.
would have passed out or something.
4,
I'm not.
3, 2, and 1. Switch.
I do wait for a long time.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we go this way. Back down, chest out. Back down, chest out. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Back up, head down. Back up, head down. Back up. Back up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Your neck. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other way around. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good morning.
Morning to you too, Sherry.
And I'm here with Enyiolu, and Enyiolu is a member of this lovely organization called FitQuake. Actually, it's not an organization. You told me it's a community.
It's a community. Well, it's an organization too, but it's a
Yeah.
community, a fitness community for women. That's what it is. So we encourage ladies, all ages, all sizes, to work out, to have that community they can talk to, they can be free with, talk about all things women, health, lifestyle. That's what FitQuake is.
And how long have you been a part of this community?
I personally have been part of the community for about 4 years now.
Oh,
But the community in general will be 5 years in January. So
okay. So your anniversary is coming up soon.
it's coming up very
I hope
soon,
I get an
very soon.
invite.
Oh yes, definitely. We're planning something big. We'll let you guys
Yeah?
be the first to know. Don't worry.
Oh,
First
okay,
to know.
okay.
To help us hype it up.
I'm
Yeah.
petty you.
No,
You
don't
have to
worry.
invite me.
We're definitely
Okay.
inviting you, definitely.
But-
So
I just wanted to ask some other questions, like this community, how has it helped you? What has been like the transformation in your life since you joined?
okay, so like I joined when I was in school in
Yeah.
Obafemi Awolowo University,
Yeah.
and I did not like to work out. I just did not see the point at all. So I remember the first time that you found out Ose,
Yeah.
she's one of the best people I've ever met.
Yeah.
So I remember I was going with my friend Iroro. She was my roommate in school.
Oh,
So she
okay.
was jogging in OAU. There's this really long road. It's called Road 1. So she was jogging and she begged me to follow her. Again, I hate walking out, but we're like, okay, fine. We will follow you, we will jog. And then we met them like halfway on that Road 1, and they was like, oh, we should join them. We did not know who they were. But they were like, oh, we should join them, and they were so nice to us. And they're like, oh, they're this fitness community for women.
Yeah.
And since then, I don't work out all the time.
Yeah.
But like every time I have to, I'm like, I feel like it's already so, like it's
It's
part
a
of me.
habit.
Exactly. It's a habit. So even if I don't work out for like 2 months, the moment I have to start again, like some part of my body is already used to it. So I'm going and I'm doing it. If you guys watch the video from today, you might not agree with that, but let's just ignore what happened
No,
today.
nobody's perfect.
Okay, we ignore what happened today. This lockdown has been a lot on a lot of us, so we ignore what happened. But Facebook has really helped, and our community. Know that if there's any question, there's some things as women, there's some things we want to talk about,
Yeah.
but we don't know who to ask, or we're afraid of asking.
I get it.
So like FitQuake is always there.
And do you feel like, especially in Nigeria, do you feel like the fitness community is usually like male dominated?
It is.
So
it really
it's so-
is. It really is. We say that we've not seen any other community similar to ours.
Yeah.
A lot of, even whenever we advertise stuff, a lot of guys come in and like, oh, can they join? We're like, sorry.
I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry you can't. It's just for women. And they feel like we're excluding them, but we're like, we don't have. We want to be
own
able to.
space.
We want to be able to work out and not feel like guys are staring at us. So like, we're not focusing on the workout. So that's what it is for us.
And
Like,
you
we
might
want
get distracted if you
It-
know,
ex-
if it's possible.
It is. It is. The same way they get distracted, we get distracted. So it's
Yeah.
like, okay, let's just focus. Just us working out, building this community together. That's what.
So I'm here with Sheriff. Sheriff is the personal trainer at this boot camp that we just had. And let me tell you something, he trained us really hard. Like this was not a joke. This was not a joke. Why are you smiling? Wicked man. Anyway. But no, we have to thank him for it because, you know, sometimes you just need that extra motivation. I feel like he kept us motivated.
Yes.
We worked really hard, right? You know?
Yes.
And were you impressed with the ladies? Like, were you...
I'm impressed a bit, but
Yeah, a bit.
yes, because for me today is their first time and
Yeah.
you don't expect much from them.
Okay.
So
So you kind of tailor your expectations regarding like who you're training and
yes.
Okay, can you tell me about like your whole fitness journey? Like as a fitness enthusiast and personal trainer, were you always like health conscious, or did you just like when would you say you started getting interested in fitness?
I get interested in fitness since when I was 15, 16 years old.
Yeah.
Because I play football.
Yeah.
So, and for me, fitness is life.
It's always been natural to you.
Yes,
Okay.
because you just have to.
Yeah.
You just have to be fit no matter what. If you can't go to the gym, you can just jog around. You just have to be doing something for yourself. It's good for your health too. So you can't just say, I don't want to exercise, I don't want to work out at all. You have to be working out no matter what. Small, big, it starts from somewhere. That's just it.
And is with your own healthy lifestyle, is it just with fitness, or do you does it relate to other parts of your life, like eating, sleep? Like what other ways do you keep healthy besides fitness?
I don't know. It's just fitness for me.
It's just fitness.
And playing football is having fun and keeping fit too. So that's just me.
That's just like
That's
your own
me.
personality.
Yes.
Okay, I have another question for you. So when you're training people, what would you say are like the challenges that you face? What's like the biggest challenge with training people?
The biggest challenge in training people is them ready to work out, to do what you ask them to do, to push themselves, because it's not easy what you are not used to.
Yeah.
And maybe you went to the hospital and they tell you you have to be working out. And you now come to me, I want to start working out. It's not for you just to come to me and pay me that you want to start working out. It's for you to decide on yourself that I really want this, to push yourself. I can push you too, but the most important thing is you yourself.
It's inner work
Yes.
that has to be done.
Yes, you have to be prepared that this, I want it. I want to pay for this and I want it. It's not that, let me just do this because my friend is doing it. Or no, you have to prepare your mind. This is what I want and you have to go for it.
We have Victoria. And Victoria, I just have to give you your props.
Thank you.
Because you actually had the most energy I've ever seen.
Oh, really?
Yes. I wasn't even at a point in time, I was looking at you to make sure like what I was doing was right.
Oh, okay.
Right, because you were right in front.
Yeah.
Her form, everything is just top notch.
I was just trying not to like
What
slack.
do you mean trying? She's being modest, I swear to God.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
But I'm going to ask you a few questions.
All right.
Because, a lot of people will watch this and they're hoping to learn something. They're hoping to, pick up some tips.
Okay.
And I just want you to tell me a little bit about your journey with FitQuake.
Okay.
Your journey with fitness in general.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, for my journey with fitness, I've always been into athletic things. I've always been in sports, all my schools. I've always been like part of the running team or something. So when I got to OAU, that's university, I joined FitQuake. So that was since my part 1. So it just continued from there. We were like just a family, just trying to stay fit, encourage ourselves, lifestyle, health, general things.
Yeah.
So yeah, so
give
it's
me
been
some tips. I'm always trying to
okay, not like I'm a guru or anything,
Yeah.
but one thing I've learned, like trying to stay fit, sometimes you can falter by like taking breaks. Sometimes some breaks are needed, but some breaks can be too long that they hinder your fitness journey. So what I try to do, or what I advise people to do, is try to incorporate fitness in everything you do. So one of the co-founders of FitQuake has told us that if you want to like even brush your teeth in the morning, you can just try to be like doing some leg raises or something, just to like keep your body moving. Or if you're like getting up from the bed, just like do some sit-ups or something, just to incorporate that fitness lifestyle in everything that you do, so that your body can get used to it.
I'm leaving here with something. I'm going to start doing that. No,
yeah,
seriously.
no, actually it works.
Especially, people like some of us that work on desks.
Yeah,
like
so it's hard. Yes, I'm a writer, so I understand that. So she said something like, if you just want to take a break, don't just take a break by just standing or just sitting. You can just take a walk or do some squats, just something to just you know, keep your body moving.
I like the sound of that. Because, like, honestly, sometimes it gets so hard, like, coming out or going to the gym. Like, if you can just do it, like, at home while you're doing something you would do already.
Yeah.
Like brushing, right?
Yeah. Like, everyday
I hope
thing.
you're brushing.
True.
I know. But I also wanted to kind of ask you, like, with moving from university to coming, like, now you're a working class baby.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah.
So how has that, do you think your fitness journey has been affected by that? Like how?
Okay, yeah, I would actually say that my fitness journey has been affected because in school we had everybody together, but after school everybody like went their separate ways. So we connect online most of the time, but it's still more difficult now because you need that motivation. Sometimes you need people to gather around you, and that's why we do things like this, the boot camps, the challenges, so that we can all come together and actually do something. But I would say because we have connected online and we have continued that communication, it has helped us to still stay fit and like continue on our journey. But like, yes, it will affect you.
I know you have you have your Instagram and you have your WhatsApp. That like lets you guys keep in touch.
Yes, we
How
do.
often would you say you do events or come out together?
We have monthly challenges online. So we have like maybe the abs challenge, everybody does ab workouts and everything. We communicate every day or like maybe every 2 days, something like that. And then if we want to come out like this, we have like boot camps and small events. So like monthly, basically, we try to have events like this monthly, but we almost always communicate like every day.
Oh, okay.
Yes, because we only don't want to focus on fitness and just like workouts and exercises. We also want to deal with lifestyle, dieting and everything, just to keep you generally fit.
Are you accepting new members? Because I feel like this is
yes, we are.
Hey,
we are.
It feels like so.
You're welcome.
Honestly speaking, like this is real truth to me. I've not actually come out to a fitness event just for women. Most of the time, like when you go to the gyms, it's like all men. And you know, you feel like I'm trying to learn like so many things. Like I'm even trying to pick up a sport. So I feel like I don't find many people like me in those spaces.
Yeah, I understand.
And I feel like it's easy to lose motivation when you don't have friends.
Yes, around
someone
you.
To be like, hey, let's go to, you know.
Yeah, and that's what FitQuake is all about. We're just like women coming together to encourage ourselves.
I love this. I love this.
So yes, we're accepting new members.
Okay, I'm joining after today.
Welcome.
You guys get sick of me.
What? Sick? No, never. Never.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much for talking to me.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
All right, have fun.
Say I'm sweating. Like I've been working so hard and I just feel so amazing. I feel like exercise just gives you this what's the word? Endorphins, that's the word. And you just feel majestic, you feel confident, you feel like you can take on the world. It does a lot for you, not just in terms of making you look good or making you strong. Like it actually affects the way you live your life. And on that note, I'm going to sign out. I hope you have been inspired. I hope you have learned a lot. And this is Wellness Weekly. I'm Ada Obioma and right here on Fubu TV. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.